Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for project management. First, open Notion and create a new page, then choose a project template to get started quickly. Give your project a clear, descriptive name and add a brief overview. Next, outline your main project goals and identify the key deliverables you aim to achieve. This initial setup is crucial for a well-organized project. Now, let's manage your tasks effectively. Add all individual tasks to your project database, ensuring each one is clearly defined. Assign a specific owner to each task and set a realistic due date to keep everyone on track. Use Notion's status properties, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, to visually track the progress of every item. This helps maintain clarity. Collaboration is key in any project. Share your Notion project page with your entire team, granting appropriate access levels. Encourage team members to use the comment feature to provide feedback, ask questions, and share quick updates directly on tasks or pages. Consider creating linked databases for meeting notes to keep all discussions and decisions centralized and easily accessible for everyone involved. Finally, let's track your project's progress and report on it. Create various views, like a Kanban board or a timeline, to visualize your project's status at a glance. Use filters and sorts to focus on specific tasks, such as those due this week or assigned to a particular person. For reporting, you can export your data or simply take screenshots of key views to share updates with stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.